Hey guys, it's all around Danny. In this video showing you guys how to calculate the initial velocity of a projectile. So let's say that they tell us that the projectile is launched a horizontal distance of 290 feet. We know that gravity is negative 32 feet. The gravitational acceleration is negative 32 feet per second. And the projectile is launched at an angle of 26 degrees. So now we simply plug this into our formula, which is velocity equals the square root of negative gravity times the horizontal distance over sine 2 times theta. Once again, theta is the angle at which the projectile is launched. Now we simply plug in our numbers. Square root 32 times 290 over sine 52. V equals square root of 9,280 over 0.788. You can round to whichever decimal you like. I'm just writing to the third. And then once we simplify this, we would get 108.52 feet per second. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.